Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 16 of the chapter linear equations in one variable, and we were discussing exercise questions of 2.2 till 8th question we have solved in our previous session. So today we will start from the question number 9 onwards. Question number 9 is: the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So, here we will first take the ratio constant as a certain variable. Use the ratio and ratio constant to say the present age of Rahul and Harun. So, whenever we are given a ratio, it is good to assume, let us assume the ratio constant as some variable. You can take x, y, a, b, r, choice is yours. Therefore, with that we get the present age of Rahul as 5 times x and the present age of Harun as 7x. Children, when we know present age and we want to know the age of them 4 years later, what should we do? Just for example, I am of 40 years old right now. This is my present age, and 4 years later, later means after, later the word tells after, that means after 4 years. Then what will be my age? So obviously present age plus 4, which means 44 years old I will be after 4 years. Similarly, Rahul is at present 5x years, and the moment after 4 years we say he will be of 5x plus 4 years. Similarly, Harun is right now 7x years, after 4 years he will be of 7x plus 4 years. So we will write now after 4 years their ages will be 5x plus 4 years and 7x plus 4 years. So this is right now what we have got after 4 years. But they gave us sum of their ages after 4 years as 56 years. So we say now 5x plus 4 years added to 7x plus 4 years gives us 56 as per this sentence here given. Now here which are the like terms, we will add them. 5x and 7x are like terms, we will add them. plus 4 and plus 4 are like terms, we can add them. See children, here I have removed braces and took like terms one beside the other. So, this gives sum of 5x and 7x is 12x, sum of 4 and 4 is plus 8 equals to 56. This forms a linear equation. Continuing further, we have 12x plus 8 equals to 56. This addend 8 is transposed the other side, right hand side, we have becoming it or it becoming subtrahend. So, 56 minus 8 will be there in right hand side, in left hand side we have 12x. Now, 56 minus 8 is 48. So, 12x equals to 48. This multiplicand 12 on transposing it becomes divisor. So, it divides 48 on simplification gives you 4 as the value of x. Now, after getting the value of x, therefore, we know ratio constant we got as 4. Now, we have to tell the age of Rahul and Harun, that is present ages. Therefore, the present age of Rahul 5 times 4 is 20 years and the present age of Harun is 7 times 4, which is 28 years. So, this is how we conclude. Now, students, coming to the question number 10. In question number 10, the number of boys and girls are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? See students, here again they have given you ratio. So, we shall go with the same assumption. Let us assume that the ratio constant as, now I am assuming y instead of the variable x always, we shall take some other variable now. So, the moment I assume ratio constant as y, therefore, number of boys becomes 7y, number of girls becomes 5y. From this ratio constant we got that, and here boys are more in number. So, which is number of girls plus 8, as they say number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So, this forms a linear equation. Further, we will solve it. Here 5y is sent to the other side of equality, so that it becomes all variable terms in one place, left hand side, plus 8. Here addend 5y comes the left hand side, becomes subtrahend. So, on simplification 7y minus 5y gives 2y. So, 2y equals to 8. Now, we have to be solved. Here 2 is multiplicand, if it comes this side, it does division, becoming divisor. So, therefore, y equals to 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, the moment we got the value of y, which is a ratio constant, now I can say number of boys and number of girls, or even I can say the total strength of the class. So, the total strength of the class, how should I say now? See students, we have number of boys being 7 times y, number of girls being 5 times y, and total class strength will be number of boys plus number of girls. That means 7y plus 5y, which is 12 times y. So, that means 12 times of ratio constant 4 gives us the total strength of the class, that is 48 is the total strength of the class. Now, coming to the next question, question number 11. This is one of the important question, children. Read carefully. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung. So, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. It is not Baichung, Baichung's grandfather. So, here is the one sentence completion. From this 29 years, that is next sentence. 29 years older than Baichung. So, who is 29 years older than Baichung? This Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. So, here see children, very important, we have age of Baichung, age of Baichung's father, next third, age of Baichung's grandfather. So, totally we have to have these three known, but which to be assumed with a variable, that is very important. Now, if you read the sentence here, Baichung's grandfather's age is compared to Baichung's father's age, and Baichung's age is also compared to Baichung's father's. So, Baichung's father's age and Baichung is interconnected, and Baichung's father age is compared to grandfather's age. So, what is better? I will assume let the Baichung's father's age as some variable x years. Let us assume or let the age of Baichung's father as x years. Now, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. That means grandfather is 26 years more of his son. This grandfather is 26 years more than this Baichung's father. So, I can say this is as x plus 26 years and 29 years is the difference between Baichung and Baichung's father, that means I can say x minus 29 years will be the age of Baichung. Now, the sum of their ages all three. Therefore, adding x minus 29 plus x plus x plus 26 gives me 135. Now, after removing brackets, x plus x plus x, these like terms will come together, minus 29 and plus 26 like terms will come together, equals to 135. X plus x plus x is 3x, minus 29 plus 26 is minus 3, equals to 135 is the linear equation which we could form. Now, after solving this, 3x minus 3 equals to 135. This subtrahend is transposed right hand side, which becomes addend, which gives 135 plus 3 equals to 138. So, 3 times x in left hand side will remain as it is. Now, 3 is a multiplicand. If it comes the right hand side becomes divisor. Therefore, x equals to 46. Now, students, we know Baichung's father is 46 years old and Baichung's grandfather is 46 plus 26, 72 years old, and Baichung is 46 minus 29, that is 17 years old. Now, we will write that the age of Baichung, which is 46 minus 29, gives us 17 years. Next, the age of Baichung's father, which is 46 years old. Next, the age of Baichung's grandfather, which is 46 plus 26 gives you 72 years. This is how we conclude. Now, coming to the next question, question number 12. In question number 12, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Then what is Ravi's present age? So, here clearly we do not know what is present age, that we will assume. Let us assume the present age of Ravi as, you can assume with any variable in the sense, now I will take present age of Ravi as R years. Therefore, 15 years. So, 15 years from now means later, from now, after, they are all same. So, 15 years later, Ravi's age will be whatever is present plus 15 more years. Now, it clearly says that this 15 years later, whatever is the present age, to that it is 4 times. That means 4 into present age r equals to r plus 15. Now, this is the equation we have already formed. Solving this will give you the present age of Ravi. So, after removing bracket, we get r plus 15 equals to 4 times r. We will have all the variable terms in one side. This r is addend. If it is transposed the other side, it becomes subtrahend. So, 15 equals to 4r minus r. Continuing further, we have 15 equals to that 4r minus r, both are like terms, results as 3r. So, 3r equals to 15. This 3 is a multiplicand. If it comes to the other side of equality, that is left hand side, it becomes divisor. So, 15 divided by 3 equals to r. Therefore, r equals to 5. That means, therefore, the present age of Ravi is 5 years. So, students, with this question number 12, I will wind up this session. From next session onwards, we will study continuation of the exercise 2.2 from the question number 13. We have got totally 16 questions. So, 13, 14, 15, 16 we will learn in our next session. So, till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.